Okay, good afternoon. How are you?
So yeah,
Good, thanks. Now we'll be learning how to do a reverse parallel parking. Okay, are you ready for it?
yeah,
Okay, now can you see the car in front of us?
yes,
So that's where we're gonna do reverse parallel parking.
Yeah.
Okay, now before you take out from the parking, so first thing what you do is
signal right.
make your signals on and take your position. Press your brakes, release your hand brakes, take the driving stick to the drive and check your surroundings, center mirror, right mirror and a head check. And now if it is safe, you take out of the park. Yes. Now to make reverse parking behind the car in front, signal 5 seconds before left and make your car parallel to the parked car such that your car is less than a meter and more than half meter. Okay, yes. So once your car is parallel, take your stick to the reverse, check your surroundings, that is 360 check, right head check, right mirror, center mirror, left mirror and left head check, and then take your 3 to the 9. Okay, if you imagine this as a clock,
Yeah,
you should bring your 3 position to the 9 and lock your steering here and kindly observe the tail of the parked car. Okay, now keep reversing your car slowly and gradually. Now check on your left mirror and left side because your car is turning towards your left. Now see, that is a very good safe gap from the parked car. You keep reversing till your tail is roughly 2 feet away from the curb. Now you can see that from your side mirror. Okay, little bit more, that's it. Now stop here and start steering complete to your right. Yes, keep steering completely to your right and lock your steering there, and you keep reversing back till your car becomes parallel to the curb. Okay, keep reversing, keep reversing, keep reversing, keep reversing, keep reversing, keep reversing. See, that's it. Now your car is become parallel to the curb. I can see that in the camera. Now make your steering go straight, make your wheels straight. Now that gap should not be more than 7 meters. Okay, so that is a good gap. Now you can fix up your car. Okay, that's a very good parking. See, in the mirrors I can see my tires, left side tires are touching the white strip. Make your car safe now. Yes, see, now this is how you will demonstrate your reverse parking. Okay, a reverse parallel parking. See, that was your parked car there. Okay, so 5 seconds before you indicated left.
yes,
Now while you are slowing down, you will check your rear view mirror and you bring all the way till your car is parallel to the parked car. So this gap should be less than 1 meter and somewhere more than half meter. Okay, so once you make your car parallel with the tails aligned, you take your stick to the reverse, make a 360 check, and then you will be reversing till your tail is roughly 2 feet away from the curb. 2 feet away from the curb. So once from the side mirror, left side mirror, you notice your tail is 2 feet away from the curb, you start steering towards your right.
yes,
Now before you take reverse, okay, you are bringing your 3 position to the 9 of your steering. Yes, so 3 to the 9 now in this position, and then you lock your steering there.
Yeah.
Like this, in this position. So you reverse till your tail is 2 feet away from the curb. Once it is 2 feet away from the curb, you steer complete to your right. Okay, and then you keep reversing till your car becomes parallel to the curb. Okay,
yeah,
now this gap should not be more than 7 meters. Okay,
yeah,
that gap should not be more than 7 meters. So, and then you put your car to the drive and then you fix up your car such that your car should be less than 30 centimeters from the curb. So you see that white strip?
Yeah.
So that's roughly around 30 centimeters. So as long as your tires are touching that white strip, you're just 30 centimeters. Okay?
Yeah.
So that is a very good parking. Now, reverse parallel parking you should complete in 2 minutes. Okay?
Yeah.
In 2 minutes, and you should do it in less than 4 moves. So what is the 4 moves? When you took your car to the parallel to the parked car, you took your drive stick to the reverse. That is your first move. Your first move was till here. Till here it is counted as a first move. But here you took your driving stick to the drive. That is counted as the second move. So now you have done this in 2 moves. So you are left more with another 2 more moves. Now if in case your car was far away from the curb, you can take reverse back little bit and then fix up in the drive. Okay? So that play of reversing should not exceed more than 7 meters. So you try to do it within the 7 meters. Is it clear? Cut and clear?
Yeah. Thank you.
That's for the students, every time they forget. So